PDFs are great for keeping documents properly formatted and preventing easy editing. This makes them perfect for documents that need to be signed, as a properly formatted PDF is hard to suitably tamper with. If you're on macOS and find that you need to sign one, you can use the built-in Preview app to add your signature to your PDF. Here's how to do it. First off, find and open the PDF you need to sign using the app. Once your PDF is up, click on the Show Marker toolbar icon if it isn't showing already, then select the signature icon. From here, create and save your signature. You can use your laptop's trackpad, built-in webcam, or an iPhone or iPad for input. If you want to use your trackpad, select the option, then click the text as prompted. Using your finger, sign your name on your trackpad. If your Mac has a Force Touch trackpad, you can press more firmly on your device to sign with a thicker stroke. Once you've signed, tap any key, then click Done. To create a signature using your webcam, select Camera. Sign a piece of clean white paper, then hold it up to the camera, leveling it with the blue line in the preview window. Once it appears, click Done. If you have an iPhone or iPad, you can use that instead. Just select a device to use, then use your finger or Apple Pencil if you're on the iPad to sign your name. Then click Done. In any case, if you're not satisfied with what comes out, click Clear and try again. If you use iCloud Drive, your created signatures will be available on your other Mac computers with the feature turned on. To add the signature to your document, click on the Sign button, then click on the signature you want to use and drag it to where you need it. To adjust its size, just use the handles provided. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering PDFs and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.